Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. And see what other goodies they have besides this item. We got the holiday rush coming right now. So, hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. And let's see what this is. Oh boy, here we go. Yep, definitely everyone could use one of these now. TECKIN Smart Wi-Fi Plug, 2-piece. TECKIN. Wi-Fi connection, app, voice control, set timer. Easy peasy stuff, guys. For the iOS or Play Store, you can check them out on. All you gotta do is scan the QR code. I already installed the app because of the camera I just did, the other video. So if you want to check that out, you may check that out. And really great camera though they got. Great clarity. This hopefully is going to be easy one also. Hopefully we don't spend too much time on this. But for Christmas lights, this will be for our Christmas tree. I'm not sure if I'm going to set mine up this year. Might be a little scroogey. But it's alright. But you guys can do what you need to do. Get by and get one of these. You can use your app, control the lights. Oh, come on out. Alright, here we go. And TECKIN. Right there. And this is a 2-pack. 1, 2. 1 plug, that's all you need. Control your lights. I'm gonna plug her in. Probably in this little pile over there. Oh boy, I'll be right back. Okay guys, once you click on the QR code, it'll bring you up to this app. They're gonna send you an email verification code, and all you gotta do is put that in, sign up your password, all that good stuff, and you're gonna be live. Because like I said, I already got the camera temporary. It's offline because I had to move it around. I'm going to figure out where I'm going to put it later, but here we go. You can always create your profile, add a device. This is called the plug. And it's going to ask you light flashing rapidly. So I'm going to plug this in right about now. There we go. And yes. And it's going to ask you simple stuff like your Wi-Fi for your router. It's almost done. I think we got a good connection. %. Should pick, yep, and just added. See, now I can name it. I'm going to name it front lights. Actually, name the plug. Family tree light. See, you can call it tree light. Save. Oh, you hear a click. Just one touch. On. Now it's on. Really nice. And you can set the timer. 2 hours custom. 6 hours you could do. 6 hours and 4 minutes. So, like, you could probably custom where your kids watch TV. You could have it shut off, like 3-hour watch time or 2-hour gaming. So if you guys want to do that, you could do that also. So you might want to grab a couple of these. Maybe like 2 boxes you might want to buy. That'd be probably perfect for your kids' room, your room, Christmas lights. It'll have you covered this holiday season. And like I said, easy. You don't have to just hit the switch. It is boom, boom. And you can do a schedule. Oh, that's pretty cool. AM Monday through Sunday, Sunday through Saturday. See right there. Pick the days you want it on. In case you go, I don't know if we're out of town yet, but yeah, that was easy. Like I said, this one I'm gonna figure out where to plug it in, but at least I got that one working. You guys can get them right now. Be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.